Today I learned an intriguing fact about fish eggs and ducks that sheds light on how seemingly untouched bodies of water can become populated with fish. Fish eggs have the remarkable ability to survive and hatch even after passing through a duck's digestive system. When fish reproduce, they lay eggs in the water. These eggs are delicate and vulnerable to various environmental factors. However, when ducks feed in bodies of water, they unintentionally ingest fish eggs along with their food. Here's where things get interesting. The fish eggs that are swallowed by ducks have a protective coating called a chorion. This coating shields the eggs from the duck's digestive enzymes and acids, allowing them to pass through the duck system with minimal damage. As the duck goes about its daily activities, it eventually excretes waste material, which includes the digested fish eggs. Surprisingly, some of these eggs manage to survive the entire journey through the duck's digestive tract. Once they are released into the water through the duck's waste, they can continue their development and eventually hatch into fish. This process offers a plausible explanation for how seemingly pristine and isolated bodies of water can become populated with fish. Through the unintentional transport of fish eggs by ducks, these bodies of water receive a fresh supply of new life, leading to the establishment of fish populations in what was once an empty habitat. It's important to note that this is just one of several ways in which fish eggs can be dispersed and reach new environments. Other natural agents such as water currents, birds, and even humans can also play a role in the movement of fish eggs between bodies of water. The interconnectedness and intricacies of nature never cease to amaze. This particular revelation about fish eggs surviving the journey through a duck's digestive system exemplifies the fascinating adaptations and processes found in the natural world. So the next time you encounter a seemingly isolated body of water brimming with fish, you can consider the possibility that ducks might have played a role in its fish population.
Today I learned a remarkable fact about African elephants and their interactions with humans. These majestic creatures have been known to exhibit caring behavior towards individuals who are either deceased, sleeping, or injured. In one incredible incident, a woman experienced this firsthand when she fell asleep under a tree and woke up to find an elephant by her side, gently touching her. As the woman lay there, more elephants approached the scene. Together, they formed a collective effort to ensure her safety. They carefully buried her under branches, providing her with a protective cover. Remarkably, when she was discovered the following morning, she was found unharmed and safe. This extraordinary behavior displayed by African elephants showcases their inherent compassion and their ability to recognize and respond to the needs of other beings, including humans. It is a testament to the deep emotional intelligence and social nature of these incredible creatures. Elephants are known for their strong bonds within their social groups, and their empathy extends beyond their own kind. They have been observed displaying similar protective behaviors towards other animals as well.
Today I learned an interesting fact about koalas and their unique brain-to-body ratio. Koalas, known for their adorable and cuddly appearance, actually have one of the smallest brains in proportion to their body weight among all mammals. Due to their small brain size, koalas have some limitations when it comes to certain behaviors, particularly in their food choices. It has been observed that when presented with leaves placed on a flat surface instead of being attached to branches, koalas struggle to recognize them as their primary food source and may not consume them. This behavior can be attributed to the koala's evolutionary adaptation to a specific diet of eucalyptus leaves, which are typically found on branches. Koalas have developed specialized adaptations to efficiently process and digest eucalyptus leaves, but their ability to identify these leaves as food seems to be primarily linked to their presence on branches. While this behavior might be interpreted as a lack of intelligence, it's important to note that animals exhibit various adaptations and behaviors specific to their survival and natural habitat. Koalas have evolved to thrive in their unique ecosystem by specializing in consuming eucalyptus leaves and adapting their physiology accordingly. Despite their apparent limitation in recognizing leaves off branches, koalas possess other remarkable adaptations and instincts that contribute to their survival. They have sharp claws for climbing trees and a highly specialized digestive system to extract nutrients from their fibrous diet. This fact about koalas highlights the incredible diversity found in the animal kingdom and the specific adaptations that different species have developed over time. Each animal has its own set of strengths and weaknesses, allowing them to thrive in their respective environments.
Today, I learned a fascinating fact about magnolia plants and their unique method of pollination. Magnolias, known for their exquisite beauty and distinct fragrance, have a special relationship with beetles when it comes to reproduction. This ancient plant family predates the existence of bees, which are commonly associated with pollination. Magnolias have been around for millions of years, and their evolution dates back to a time when bees had not yet appeared on Earth. As a result, these magnificent plants have developed a pollination strategy that relies on beetles rather than bees. The flowers of magnolia plants have evolved to specifically attract beetles. They produce large, showy blossoms with strong scents that act as enticing signals to beetles. The petals of magnolia flowers are sturdy and durable, ensuring that beetles can land and move around on them without causing damage. When beetles visit magnolia flowers, they inadvertently pick up pollen on their bodies. As they travel from one magnolia flower to another, they transfer this pollen, facilitating the essential process of pollination. In this way, beetles play a vital role in the reproduction and survival of magnolia plants. While bees have become the most prevalent and well-known pollinators in the natural world, the ancient magnolia plants have maintained their reliance on beetles.
Today, I learned a fascinating fact about tigers and their remarkable behavior. Tigers, known for their strength and ferocity, have been observed to exhibit a unique characteristic, a tendency to seek revenge on those who have wronged them. This makes them one of the most vengeful animals on the planet. Tigers are apex predators and command respect in their natural habitats. They have a strong sense of territory and are known to defend it fiercely. When tigers feel threatened or harmed by another creature, including humans, they may hold grudges and exhibit vengeful behavior. Instances have been documented where tigers have targeted individuals who have caused them harm or posed a threat to their safety. These acts of revenge can take various forms, such as tracking down the individual or repeatedly attacking them. Tigers have been observed to display persistence and determination in seeking retribution. The vengeful nature of tigers can be attributed to their intelligence and ability to remember past experiences. They have a keen memory and can recognize specific individuals, even after extended periods. This allows them to identify those who have caused them harm and take action accordingly. It is important to note that while tigers may display vengeful behavior, their primary motivations are survival and protection. Tigers are not inherently malicious or seeking revenge for the sake of it. Their actions are driven by a need to defend themselves and ensure their own well-being. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you.